Say goodbye with a smile. Take care, in English. Hello, English language learners. We're back with another exciting topic. Today, we'll be delving into a particularly warm and heartfelt phrase used in informal farewells. That is, take care. You've probably heard this term thrown around in conversations and maybe even used it yourself. But do you fully understand what it means and how best to use it? If not, don't worry, that's exactly what we're here for today. When saying goodbye, we often wish each other well. One popular way of doing this in English is by using the phrase, take care. When you tell someone to take care, you're expressing your wish for them to stay safe and healthy, or simply to look after themselves. For example, after catching up with a friend, as you're parting ways, you could say, take care, I'll see you soon. It's a simple and warm way of showing that you care about the person's well-being. While take care is a great phrase, it's always useful to know a few variations to avoid sounding repetitive. Here are a few alternative phrases that convey a similar sentiment. Take it easy. This is a laid-back way of telling someone to relax and not stress too much. Look after yourself. A little more direct. This explicitly asks the person to care for themselves. Stay safe. This is often used in situations where there may be some perceived danger or risk. Be well. This is a more general, all-encompassing wish for someone's good health and happiness. Remember, these phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your relationship with the person. Now you know how to say, take care. But what do you do when someone says it to you? The most common response is to say, you too, or, thanks. You too. This is a polite way of returning their well wishes. For example, Person 1, it was great catching up with you. Take care. Person 2, thanks. You too. This simple exchange maintains the friendly and caring nature of the conversation. Well, that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, take care. It's more than just a way of saying goodbye. It's a warm, caring sentiment that adds a touch of friendliness to your conversations. So next time you're parting ways with someone, remember to take care, and of course, take care of yourselves too. We hope this lesson was useful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.